Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add any token to MetaMask Wallet on Google Chrome. So first start the Chrome and log into your wallet. Now once you do that, just here on the main page, you'll have import token. So you want to press that. Now right here, you can either search for the token or you can add a custom token. So for example, if I want to add the sand, which is a sandbox, you will see it is available right here. But if the token you want to add is not on the list here, then you have to go under custom token and enter some information. So first I will show you how to do this one. So just press on the send, press next, and press import. And that's all you have to do. And you will have it here under the token list. Now, in case you want to import something that's not on the list, for example, immutable X. So if I press IMX, it's not gonna be here. And then I have to go under the custom token. And to fill out this information, I will need a token contract address. Now I will show you two websites which are quite reliable and you can get the address there. So first one will be coinmarketcap.com. And then under the search, you want to write down IMX, immutable X. And you will have it right here, and the contract address will be displayed here, and the other page will be CoinGecko. It works the same way. IMX in the search field, and the address will be just here on the right side. Now you have two options here on both of these websites. You can either just press add to MetaMask, and this will automatically add the token. Same thing here, add to MetaMask. But I will show you the manual way. So just want to copy this contract address, and then you want to go under the MetaMask, import tokens, custom token, and paste this address here. And automatically a token symbol and token decimal will be filled out. You want to press next and import. And now you have this token as well. One more very important thing, you also want to make sure that you are on the right network, right? So I'm at Ethereum mainnet, and this is the Ethereum token, as you can see right here. If you're adding something else on a different network, then you have to switch the network here, right? Okay, but that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel.